this is Virginia from Athens, Greece, and this is going to be our 5th educational video tutorial for our starting out as a translator community. You asked me for, and in this video we're going to talk about LinkedIn. I'm going to share with you 9 client attracting LinkedIn profile tips. So, let's start. I'm going to give you generic advice about LinkedIn. Please make sure that you make the most out of it. So, from the cover photo to the skills and endorsement section, please make sure that you have used all the sections given from the LinkedIn to complete them and to use all the characters size that is given by LinkedIn. For example, the headline is 120 characters, if I'm not mistaken, so please use all of the space in order to make the most out of it. Use keywords because the algorithm of LinkedIn works like that, and be sure that you complete most of the sections that there exist according to your profile and your specialization. So let's start. What is the first thing that someone sees in your profile when they click on it, or before even click on it to see you? It's the headline. So make sure that you have a very good headline that explains what you do, who you serve, what the clients are, and what benefits you give them. So, in order to create a very good headline, go back to our second week challenge and read about the email that I've sent you, how to create a very good headline as a translator, as a starting out translator. Secondly, the About section. The About section is the first part of your profile, LinkedIn profile, a client sees when they click on your profile. The About section used to be the summary section. And even if its name is About, it's not about you, it's about the client. And make sure that all of your profile LinkedIn, and in general we'll have to talk about all of your marketing material, has to be targeted to your client and not you. Who your clients are and how do you serve them, what solution do you give them, and what problem of them do you solve. So in the About section, you must describe in terms your prospects will understand that who your ideal clients are, the problems they most want to solve, and the solution you provide to them. So a great way to do this is to create a bullet list of your ideal clients types using a formula like that. Ideal client type, describe the problem or challenge they face, describe the solution that you give to them, and benefits to solving the problems. So keep that in mind next time you're going to write down your About section. So within your story, you want to answer as many of these questions as possible. What questions? Who are you? What do you do? Whom you do it for? Why you do what you do? Why should they listen to you? Expertise, experience, education, why? And why should someone hire you from all the other translators that there are online there? Third part is the experience, the most crucial part of your LinkedIn profile. You can list any of your services that you offer, but be sure that you include the benefits that you provide. These services provide to your clients. Either you can include media such as videos, presentation, etc. that allow visitors of your profile to get a clear sense of who you are and what you do. Then cover photo. I've seen so many translators profiles without cover photo, but make sure that your profile will be more appealing, and there is a reason why LinkedIn has this section behind your profile, your face photo. Profile photo, there is the cover photo. Your cover photo becomes vital once a prospect lands on your profile. So make sure that you create a cover photo that is appealing, and make sure that the client or the prospect understands what you do via your cover photo. Then, articles and activity. This is a great way to establish credibility, to make yourself known as a professional in a specific expertise that you have. So start writing articles and contributing to the community by commenting to other articles and share other articles. So accomplishments. That's a great way, if you add accomplishments, to create a more professional presence. And then also you stand out from other translators or other professionals with less accomplishment than yours. What could be an accomplishment would be publications of yours, certification, courses, projects, honors, awards, test scores, languages, organizations. Make sure that you include any accomplishments that you might have. Be sure though to add only those sections that are relevant to you and further establish your credibility. Education then. By adding your education, you can achieve two things. You can improve your reliability and credibility, but also you can make a connection point with all the other prospects that might have studied the same institutions as you. So, the two last steps and tips that I'm going to share with you, they leverage your social proof on LinkedIn. And what are they? These are the recommendations and the skills endorsements. So recommendations are the most powerful tool and form that you have of social proof of your expertise on LinkedIn. And this is a great tool because you can become established as a professional by real people that a prospect can click on their profile and see that they are true. So they are similar to testimonials but give you, your potential clients, an insight into how you helped other people and what you did to them. So, and they can verify the identity of the person behind that they gave you this recommendation by clicking on their name. So, quality recommendations are very important. You can ask credible people that they can vouch for you. They can be other colleagues, but also clients of yours. Lastly, skills and endorsements. We sometimes neglect to pay attention on skills and endorsements, but apart from leveraging our social proof, they make our profile 17 times more visible than other profiles. So members who list their skills on their profiles receive up to 17 times more profile views than those who don't. So next time you neglect, make sure that you have this in mind. So if you want to become more visible online on LinkedIn, make sure that you have listed your skills and you have started receiving endorsements. Please do let me know by commenting on this video if you have any more tips to share with us. If you have any question that you would like me to go any further deeper on these tips that I just gave you, share your results in our Starting Out as a Translator Facebook community and stay tuned for the next editorial tutorial video of mine. Bye bye for now.